Hello friend, welcome back. We present you a modified file manager with several options. Sort the files based on name and date. Sort them in ascending order or descending order. Indication for the selected files. Clear the selected files. The existing file managers in Kivy and kivymd have limitations. There is no sort option in existing managers, no search option. You cannot choose from multiple directories. They don't remember the last path. Every time you open the file manager, you have to go to the particular path again and again. There is no indication of selected files. We present a new file manager which overcome all these limitations. This is the modified file manager. When you open, it will show the list of files in a particular folder. So here, these files are having different names. Right now, they are sorted based on name in an ascending order. If I choose descending order, their position will change. If I click a file, there is a tick mark appear to indicate selection. If I select another file, the tick mark appears again. If I tap the file again, the selection will be removed. The indication here shows number of files selected currently. It will change when you select or unselect the files. This file selection will be kept when you order them based on your choice. Right now, these are sorted by date in an ascending order. You can also go for descending order where the latest file will be shown here. This is the latest file and this is the oldest file. Right now, I have these files chosen in this folder. If I go back and choose the image or choose the file from another folder, then when you choose the file, it will remember the last folder. So if I close the file manager and open it again, it will open the folder where the last image was chosen. This is how it remembers the path. So every time you don't need to navigate to the folder. Upon selection, if you tap this button, it will clear the current selection. You can also search for a particular number. Here I'll search the images or folders having a letter 4. So these are the files and folders with the name 4. You can also add selection based on search. 4. If you add them, there is a total number of files chosen is 2 now. You can also search based on multiple words. If I select 4 and BW, it will show a file with the word with the letters 4 and BW. Or if you want to clear this search text, you can tap here. So when I click OK, it will list the number of files which I chosen. These two are from one folder and this is from another folder. This modified file manager has the option to sort, to select multiple files and folders, to filter the files based on the image, to reset the file. It'll remember the last opened path also. We hope this is useful to you. You can download the code for this new file manager in this link. Do you need help in your Python app development? Please contact us now in this email ID. Thank you.